What advice would you give to someone maybe who is a Gen Z, maybe who's eventually a Gen Alpha, who is interested in getting into the AI field but doesn't know where to start?
Well, first things first, don't go with the hype. You know, there's a lot of misinformation in the internet about what's AI and what AI is capable of. So there's a lot of misconception there. So first, you need to understand the basics of AI. So I would advise content where you can get insight into the philosophy behind AI. So the purpose of AI as a science, you know. So like you said, it's not about data. So how is everyone talking about machine learning, but AI was born with another purpose and is
Yeah,
about another thing, not data, you know.
not data.
And I would advise. I mean, I ha there's this great lecture from MIT given by a very respected researcher called Lex Freeman about
Yeah,
artificial general intelligence, and he is
love
very
Lex.
famous. Yeah, he's very known, and he basically is an impressive lecture with he brings a lot of respected scientists and researchers to talk about artificial general intelligence
Yeah,
and all the aspects regarding this, the scientific part, the engineering part, the ethics. And so it's a very broad view of what artificial intelligence really is
yeah,
and the efforts that we are making today to get there. And and yeah, you can find it in YouTube, and it's
yeah.
all the lectures, and is not a technical lecture. You don't
Sure.
see, well, I haven't seen all the lectures, all the lectures, but um, there's not a single equation so far.
Yeah,
So it's for everyone, you know.
sure.
He just sits and talks about something, or brings someone to talk about something about artificial general intelligence.
Yeah,
So that would be my first advice. Then if you want to dive deeper into the business application stuff or the technical stuff, I would suggest following Andrew Senji's work. You know, he is also a very respected and well-known scientist. He has made a lot of great contribution to democratize AI knowledge.
sure.
And his company, Deep Learning AI,
Yeah,
has released some courses that goes from beginners to very advanced scientists to teach technical stuff and to teach how to uh, what a business person should know about AI
yeah.
to optimize business. And I think, yeah, my last piece of advice is to research into, if you really want to do AI. AI is not just about data science or
Yeah,
AI science or computer science. You can, there are many different approaches to building intelligent agents, as I told you,
sure.
from the psychologists to the engineers to, there's a lot of um, works there that are not just um, from computer science. You don't need just to be a data scientist. Nowadays, many fields are involved in building AI solutions, and many are related to humanities.
Yeah,
And so I would advise that if you really want to build artificial intelligence from your field, I think there's a lot of field there to explore.
yeah. No,
So
it's the I guess the way you put it is like start with like the non-technical stuff and see if you're in love with the philosophy of it and like the
exactly.
history of it, and then dive into the technicalities because that's like equally, if not even more important, like how to build the intelligent entities.